What's up YouTube, VetMech here. Today we will be doing a disassembly and reassembly field strip style of the Ruger LCP. First thing that we always do with any weapon is we make sure it is clear. So we're going to go ahead and take the magazine out, set it to the side. Go ahead and pull back. You lock it back right here. You push up and that locks it back. You're going to physically and visually inspect that there is no rounds in the chamber. Second thing you're going to do is you're going to grab a flat tip screwdriver. Hopefully I'm getting a good angle for you. You got to be real careful you don't scratch the slide. So what I usually do is I use this catch part here and I get my way under it and I pop it up just enough where it breaks it free, set it to the side and use my fingernail for the rest. You just pull that pin all the way out, set it somewhere where you're not going to lose it. Gently slide the slide forward, set the frame down, you turn it. You want to always capture your spring. That's your next thing because you don't want this thing to fly and then you can't find it. So I always capture it. I push pressure forward and pick up. And you can take it out of the pocket and set it to the side. Same with the barrel. Kind of lean it forward now and take it out. And that, my friends, is a field stripped Ruger LCP. Reverse, put it back together. Take your slide, turn it upside down. First thing you want is your barrel. You're going to gently put it in there. Make sure the locking block is locked because it won't go in right if it's not. You're going to go ahead and make sure that both springs are in there. See how it almost slipped out? Both springs are in there and the metal rod is in there. You're going to go ahead and put it right in that capture hole there. And there's a little spot right there where it's going to catch it. Same thing, I usually put my thumb downward pressure and push in, keeping coverage just in case it doesn't pop out, and it locks right into that little groove there. Then I usually stand it straight up, and you got two rails here the slide will slide right in on, and it's just that easy. The last thing you'll do is you'll reinstall your pin, and as you can see, let me get you better, as you can see right there, that is the retaining spring or clip, and you're going to want to kind of come in at an angle like this and pull down, and that'll allow you to get it in. Now once you get it in, you can push it down because you definitely want to make sure that's in there, and you can push back just a little bit, and you see how it's kind of up a little bit. Put a little forward pressure on your upper there, just like that, and it'll go flush. And that is how you field strip and reassemble the Ruger LCP. Thanks for watching.